5. Lamb chop brands you should never buy. 5. That are amazing. Not all lamb chops are created equal. Some melt like holiday peace on earth. Others chew like the sheep held a grudge. You nail the sear, butter based with herbs, slice in, and boom. Barnyard perfume and gym shoe texture. Same cut, similar price, wildly different brands. Why? We're ranking 10 lamb chop brands from pull this off the shelf to private chef energy. And what we found next might change your cart for good. Number 5. Walmart Market Side Lamb Loin Chops, Australia. The packaging looks decent. The label says Australian lamb. The pricing is competitive. The consistency is absolutely unreliable. The cut thickness varies dramatically between packages. Some chops are proper 1.25 inches. Others are thin and inadequate. You can't predict what thickness you're getting until you open the package at home. The gamey batches are noticeably problematic. Some packages taste mild and pleasant. Others are aggressively gamey in ways that suggest older animals or inconsistent sourcing. You're gambling every single purchase. The fat trimming quality varies heavily by batch. Some packages show professional butchering. Others have excessive fat cap or uneven trimming that suggests nobody checked quality before packaging. The price is attractive, $10 to $12 per pound, but that value disappears when half your purchases are disappointing. Inconsistent quality means wasted money on lamb that doesn't deliver reliable results. Customer reviews consistently mention the inconsistency problem. Sometimes great, sometimes terrible, appears repeatedly. That's not acceptable for dinner planning or technique development. Walmart's cost reduction priorities clearly compromise quality control. They're sourcing from multiple suppliers without maintaining consistent standards across all of them. This is the dating app match of lamb. Looks good in photos, wildly inconsistent in reality, and you never know what you're actually getting until it's too late. Number 4. Aldi Kirkwood Lamb Shoulder Chops. The fundamental problem starts with the cut. These are shoulder chops, inherently tougher due to connective tissue and constant muscle use during the animal's life. The labeling is misleading. It says lamb chops without prominently specifying shoulder cut. Consumers assume all lamb chops are similar. They buy these expecting loin chop tenderness. These require slow braising or extended cooking. You cannot successfully grill or pan-sear shoulder chops and achieve tender results. The muscle structure demands different cooking methods. Most consumers cook these incorrectly because the packaging doesn't adequately explain the difference. They treat them like loin chops, grill them quickly, and get tough, chewy disappointment. The odor is stronger than loin or rib chops. Shoulder meat has more pronounced lamb flavor that borders on gamey. Some people enjoy this. Most find it excessive. The flavor is more aggressive and less refined, not the mild, slightly sweet taste of premium cuts. More assertive and sometimes off-putting. The pricing seems attractive, substantially cheaper than loin chops. But you're not saving money if the eating experience disappoints because you cooked them incorrectly or dislike the stronger flavor. Aldi is excellent for many products. This specific lamb offering misleads consumers through inadequate labeling and sets them up for cooking failure. This is the instruction manual written in confusing language of lamb. Technically correct, but guarantees user error. Number 3. Generic halal market frozen lamb chops. Mixed origin, generic unbranded frozen lamb chops from small halal markets, typically sourced from Uruguay or Australia in bulk 40-pound cartons. Important clarification. Many halal markets sell exceptional quality meat with transparent sourcing. This ranking refers specifically to unbranded bulk frozen imports with zero brand accountability. The sourcing is low-grade international imports from mixed origins. No consistent supplier, no quality standards, just whatever frozen lamb was cheapest when the distributor ordered. The fat is often yellowish, clear indicator of older animals. Yellow, waxy fat creates stronger gamey flavor that most American palates find unpleasant. The water retention is excessive. These chops steam during cooking instead of searing. All that moisture creates gray exterior rather than caramelized crust. The texture becomes mushy rather than tender. The variability between batches is extreme. One purchase might be acceptable. The next is tough, gamey, and disappointing. You cannot predict quality because there's zero brand accountability. The lack of transparency about age, origin, and processing makes informed purchasing impossible. You're buying blind and hoping for acceptable results. The pricing is cheapest available, $7 to $9 per pound, but that savings disappears when the eating experience is consistently disappointing. This is the mystery meat situation that shouldn't exist in modern retail, but somehow persists through low pricing and consumer unfamiliarity with quality indicators. Number 2. Kroger Simple Truth Organic Frozen Lamb Chops, Australia. The organic label creates premium expectations. The reality fails to match those expectations consistently. The quality is inconsistent despite organic certification. Organic doesn't automatically mean tender or mild. It just means the animal was raised according to organic standards, which don't guarantee eating quality. The chops are often thin-cut and over-trimmed, less than 1 inch thick in many packages. Thin cuts cook unevenly and dry out easily. The aggressive trimming removes protective fat that creates flavor and moisture. The cooking results are unpredictable. Some batches achieve proper sear and maintain tenderness. Others dry out despite identical technique. That inconsistency suggests poor quality control during processing. The gamey flavor is more pronounced than expected for the premium pricing. These taste stronger and less refined than non-organic Australian lamb from better brands. The organic certification doesn't correlate with mild flavor. The pricing is premium, $16 to $18 per pound. You're paying for organic certification without getting organic quality benefits. The price-to-quality ratio is fundamentally broken. Customer reviews consistently mention disappointment relative to expectations. Expected better for organic and not worth the premium price appear repeatedly. Kroger's Simple Truth line succeeds in many categories. This specific lamb offering fails to justify its organic premium through actual eating quality. This is the wellness influencer brand of lamb. Lots of certifications and marketing, minimal actual superiority. Number 1. Worst. Chef's quality. Frozen lamb cuts. The absolute bottom tier of lamb available in American retail. These are lowest grade international imports from sources that couldn't sell to legitimate grocery chains. This is the reject pile finding its way to discount retailers and food service suppliers. The excess moisture and freezer burn are visible before cooking. The packaging shows ice crystals and discoloration. These have been frozen too long or stored improperly. The quality is compromised before you even start cooking. The flavor is overly strong and unpleasant, not mild lamb taste, aggressive gamey flavor that suggests older animals or extended frozen storage. Some batches taste almost rancid, like the fat has oxidized during storage. The texture is tough even when cooked properly. No amount of correct technique can salvage meat that's fundamentally low quality. You're chewing through protein that fights back. The sourcing transparency is non-existent. No country of origin, no age information, no processing standards, just lamb chops with zero accountability. The pricing is cheapest available, $6 to $8 per pound. But this isn't value. This is wasting money on protein that's barely edible. Nobody should be buying meat from dollar stores. The business model requires sourcing the absolute cheapest products. Quality cannot survive those pricing constraints. This is the Wish.com order of lamb. Suspiciously cheap, arrives disappointing, and you question all your decisions. Okay. If you made it this far, that means you are interested in what is the best. As of now, we've exposed 5 brands that are failing consumers through inconsistency, poor quality, or fundamentally compromised sourcing. But here's the redemption. 5 brands actually understand that lamb chops should deliver consistent quality, transparent sourcing, and reliable excellence. 5 brands that justify their pricing through actual quality rather than just marketing promises. Let's start with number 5 and work toward absolute lamb brand perfection. Number 5. Sam's Club Members Mark New Zealand Lamb Loin Chops. Sam's Club leverages bulk purchasing power to deliver premium New Zealand lamb at exceptional value. The sourcing is 100% grass-fed New Zealand lamb. New Zealand has world-class lamb production with younger animals creating naturally mild flavor. This tastes refined and clean rather than aggressive. The flavor profile is mild and slightly sweet. Not gamey, not metallic, just pleasant lamb taste that enhances meals without dominating. This is lamb for people who think they don't like lamb. The cut consistency is reliable. Each chop is similar thickness, usually 1.25 to 1.5 inches. The trimming is professional and even. You're getting predictable cooking results across the entire package. The value to quality ratio is exceptional. You're paying $13 to $15 per pound for New Zealand grass-fed lamb with consistent quality. That's substantially better value than specialty stores charge. The cooking results are reliable. These sear beautifully, maintain tender interior, and deliver satisfying eating experience every single time. Sam's Club proves that warehouse clubs can deliver premium quality when they maintain sourcing standards and leverage scale for consumer benefit. This is the lamb for people who want quality without paying boutique pricing. Number 4. Trader Joe's New Zealand Lamb Loin Chops. Trader Joe's continues their pattern of making everything better than it should be at the price point. The sourcing from younger New Zealand lamb creates naturally tender texture. New Zealand specializes in lamb under 12 months. genuine lamb, rather than older sheep being misrepresented. The flavor is slightly sweet and exceptionally clean. No aggressive gamey notes. No metallic undertones. Just refined lamb taste that works beautifully with minimal seasoning. The trimming is consistent and professional. The fat cap is appropriate without being excessive. The thickness is uniform. You're getting quality butchering standards. The portion sizing works for small families or couples. The packages aren't bulk-sized, which reduces waste and makes premium lamb accessible without requiring large purchases. The pricing is fair. $14 to $16 per pound for New Zealand grass-fed lamb with Trader Joe's quality oversight. That's competitive while delivering superior consistency. The reliability across multiple purchases is exceptional. You get similar quality every time. That consistency matters for meal planning and technique development. Trader Joe's proves that specialty grocers can source globally and deliver premium products without premium pricing. Number 3. Costco Kirkland Signature Australian Lamb Loin Chops. Costco's private label delivers exceptional quality through rigorous supplier standards and quality control. The Australian grass-fed sourcing creates clean, mild flavor. Australian lamb production emphasizes quality and consistency. These chops reflect those standards completely. The butchering is reliable and professionally executed. The cuts are even. The trimming is proper. The thickness is consistent. You're getting quality that rivals actual butcher shops. The marbling is good without being excessive. Enough intramuscular fat to create tenderness and flavor. Not so much that it feels overly rich or fatty. The flavor is balanced. Mild enough to appeal broadly, rich enough to taste substantial. This works for people who want lamb that tastes like quality protein without aggressive characteristics. The value proposition is strong. You're paying $14 to $17 per pound for Australian grass-fed lamb with Kirkland quality standards. That's restaurant-level quality. At grocery pricing, the cooking results are consistently excellent. These achieve beautiful sear, maintain juicy, tender interior, and deliver satisfying eating experience. Costco proves that private label brands can compete with premium names when backed by actual quality standards and supplier accountability. Number 2. Whole Foods 365 American Lamb Loin Chops. Domestic American lamb represents excellent marbling and rich flavor while maintaining mildness. The American sourcing typically provides more intramuscular fat than imported options. That marbling creates exceptional tenderness and buttery texture. The flavor is robust, but still mild. The trimming and butchering standards are professional. Whole Foods maintains actual butcher operations rather than just repackaging pre-cut meat. The presentation is restaurant quality. The freshness is guaranteed through Whole Foods supply chain management. These aren't sitting in freezers for months. You're getting recently processed lamb with optimal quality. The consistency across purchases is reliable. Whole Foods supplier standards ensure similar quality each time. That reliability matters for consistent cooking results. The flavor profile is balanced and refined, rich enough to taste substantial, mild enough to complement rather than dominate your meal. The pricing is premium, $18 to $22 per pound, but the quality justifies it through consistent excellence and transparent sourcing. Whole Foods proves that premium grocers can deliver exceptional domestic protein when they prioritize quality over cost reduction. Number 1. Best Superior Farms American Lamb, the absolute best lamb brand available in American retail. Superior Farms is the largest premium lamb producer in the United States. They maintain the highest standards in the industry for sourcing, processing, and quality control. The meat quality is consistently top tier. True lamb under 12 months. Never mutton mislabeled as lamb. The age control creates naturally mild, tender meat across all cuts. The marbling is exceptional. Superior Farms breeds specifically for intramuscular fat distribution. This creates buttery texture that melts during cooking. The tenderness is remarkable. The flavor is mild, slightly sweet, and refined. This is lamb that converts people who claim to dislike lamb. The taste is sophisticated without being aggressive. The reliability across the brand is unmatched. Whether you buy this at Whole Foods, Kroger, or a local butcher, you're getting identical quality. That consistency is incredibly valuable. The restaurant industry uses Superior Farms extensively. Many high-end restaurants source from them specifically because the quality is reliable and exceptional. That's serious professional endorsement. The transparency about sourcing and processing builds consumer trust. They're proud of their standards and willing to provide detailed information about their practices. The pricing is premium, $20 to $28 per pound depending on cut and retailer. but you're getting genuinely superior quality that justifies the cost completely. Superior Farms proves that American agriculture can produce world-class lamb when companies prioritize quality, transparency, and consistent excellence over cost reduction. This is the lamb brand for people who refuse to compromise on quality and want reliable excellence every single purchase. Before buying your next lamb chops, remember these critical points. Best cuts for most cooking are loin chops or French-cut rib chops. Loin is most tender. Rib provides impressive presentation. Avoid shoulder unless you're braising. Best countries for sourcing are New Zealand, Iceland, and United States. In that order for consistency and mildness. Australia is excellent, but slightly more variable. Fat color reveals age immediately. White firm fat means young lamb with clean flavor. Yellow waxy fat means older animal with stronger taste. Check this before buying. Smell test matters when packages allow it. Fresh lamb smells mild and clean. Strong or sour odors mean older animal or compromised storage. Trust your nose. Brand consistency matters more than single purchase quality. Buy from brands that deliver similar results every time rather than gambling on unbranded options. Yeah, your lamb chops shouldn't feel like a secret Santa gone wrong. Skip the mystery meat roulette and give your guests actual cheer, not chewy. Go Superior Farms for peak American consistency, or hit Costco/Trader Joe's for imported excellence that doesn't mug your wallet. Holiday hero status unlocked. Drop your trusted lamb brand in the comments, and if market side's been chaotic, now you know the fix. Subscribe for ruthless, brand-specific protein rankings, because next week's roast reveal might save your holiday table and your dignity. Buy the good stuff, serve with swagger, and let's keep the season merry, not gristly.